Regularly wipe the LiDAR D2F sensor and charging contacts with a dry cloth. Lift the handle to a 90 degrees angle and remove the dustbin. Open the dustbin cover. Empty the dustbin. Press the latch and pull out the filter holder by the handle. Remove the filter. Clean the filter and filter holder with a cleaning brush. Remove the side brush. Clean the caster wheel, suction port, and side wheels with a dry cloth. Pull the latch to remove the roller mop. Lift the latch to remove the wash tray. Remove the squeegee. Press both side latches to remove the dirty water tank. Detach and clean the wash tray. Pay attention to the alignment points during installation. Open the dirty water tank and remove the filter for cleaning. Reinstall the filter after cleaning. Clean the dustbin, side brush, roller mop, and squeegee. Place in a ventilated area to air dry after cleaning. Align and insert the dirty water tank. Align the alignment holes when installing the squeegee. Press down firmly with both hands to secure it in place. Confirm the direction of the wash tray alignment holes. Insert the wash tray at an angle. Install the roller mop. Install the side brush. Put in the filter holder. Finally, install the dustbin. Ensure the handle is fully folded down after installing the dustbin.